Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be continuing with our number naming. So today we're going to be naming numbers from 41 to 60. As you have saw my previous videos, we have part 1 and part 2. So this is part 3 of number naming in Sepedi. Without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So we have 41. So the first one we have 41. 41 is called masume nne tee. Masume nne tee. 41 is called masume nne tee. The next one we have 42. 42 is called masume nne pedi. Masume nne pedi. 42. Masume nne pedi. 43. 43 is called masume nne tharo. 43. Masume nne tharo. 43. Masume nne tharo. 44. 44 is called masume nne nne. Masume nne nne. Masume nne nne. The next one we have 45. So 45 is called masume nne hlano. 45 is called masume nne hlano. The next one we have 46. 46 is called masume nne tshela. 46 is called masume nne tshela. Masume nne tshela. 47. 47 is called masume nne shupa. Masume nne shupa. 47 is called masume nne shupa. 48. 48 is called masume nne seswai. 48 is called masume nne seswai. 48 is called masume nne seswai. 49. 49 is called masume nne senyane. 49 is called masume nne senyane. Masume nne senyane. So the next one we have 50. So 50 is called masume hlano. 50 is called masume hlano. Masume hlano. 51 is called masume hlano tee. 51 is called masume hlano tee. Masume hlano tee. 52. So 52 is called masume hlano pedi. Masume hlano pedi. 52 is called masume hlano pedi. The next one we have 53. So 53 is called masume hlano tharo. Masume hlano tharo. 53 is called masume hlano tharo. So we have 54. So 54 is called masume hlano nne. 54 is called masume hlano nne. 54 is called masume hlano nne. The next one we have 55. So 55 is called masume hlano hlano. 55 is called masume hlano hlano. 55 is called masume hlano hlano. So the next one we have 56. 56 is called masume hlano tshela. Masume hlano tshela. 56 is called masume hlano tshela. 57. So 57 is called masume hlano shupa. Masume hlano shupa. Masume hlano shupa. 58. 58 is called masume hlano seswai. 58 is called masume hlano seswai. 59. 59 is called masume hlano senyane. 59 is called masume hlano senyane. Lastly, to our last number, we have 60. So 60 is called masume tshela. 50 is called masume tshela. 50 is called masume tshela. So that's it for our today's video. So tune out for part 4 from